Hello, I'm Nicole Northgarden, and in today's video we have lots of cool vintage stuff that I found at garage sales and some home decor. Here we go. Hello you all, I hope you're doing well. I have a garage sale haul for you today. It's actually like a citywide yard / garage sale. Molly and I went. It's in a neighborhood called the Longfellow neighborhood of Minneapolis. I went last year. Although the really cool sale that I went to last year, I didn't see this year, but that's okay. Anyway, I always love these yard sales because you get a mix of like younger people with cool home decor, and then you get older people who've lived in their homes for, 50 years and they're getting rid of stuff. And so that's where you find the cool vintage stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I found. Let's start with what I was showing in the beginning. So we went to one sale and the gentleman was very nice, and he had a really cool scale. You know, if you've been watching my channel for a long time, I love old kitchen scales, but it was yellow and I'm really looking for a green one. And he wanted $8, which is a great price for it, but I was like, I don't want to spend $8. I could sell it at the Pink Elephant, although they don't really, no one else seems to appreciate old scales the way I do. Because I have one in my space and it doesn't sell. So anyway, I was like, nah, I'm not going to get that. But at his sale, we did find some cool things. So the first thing I was looking at, and I paid, I don't even think, it says $1 on it. I don't think I paid $1 because he gave me this and then a whole bunch of other stuff, which I'm about to show you. But I thought this was really cool. I have never seen one before. I'm sure you guys have, some of you ladies with a little more experience in the world. So this is called Lusterware Clothes Sprinkler. And so for you younger ladies, the idea here is that you would use this to sprinkle on your clothes. This was before they had steam irons or the spritzer on an iron. So you'd sprinkle your clothes and then use your hot iron, and then it would, you'd have steam essentially. So I just thought that was cute. I have a little vintage display in my laundry room with some older things in it, and that's where I'm going to tuck that. Okay, I am drinking coffee. It is the morning, and as soon as I'm done filming this, I'm going to go to the thrift store. That's my plan. So it's going to be a good day. Okay. All right. So at that same sale, he gave me, so he noticed that I liked vintagey things, and he's like, I have this whole box. And he's like, is there anything you want out of that? And so the original thing that I chose, I think it was this. I had chose this because if you watch my home and garden channel, I have another channel that's active. I actually have many other channels, but I'm not posting on my DIY channel right now and not on my stitching channel right now because I haven't been stitching, I've been gardening. But anyway, which this is kind of related to. So if you watch my home and garden channel, you know that I've been battling bunnies. Sorry if you hear chewing. My one of our dogs is down at my feet chewing a bone. So, but if I put him outside the door, he'll bark. So I figure this is better. Anyway, I've been battling bunnies, and some of you had suggested that I try shaving Irish Spring soap because bunnies don't like highly scented things. But I didn't want to use like my normal cheese grater because, just in case some of the soap gets stuck in there, I don't want to have soap in my cheese. So when I saw this, I was like, oh, I could use that. Plus, I do collect old graters, but I think this is a cool one. It's fully stainless marked. But I think I'm going to use this for my garden to shave the soap into the garden. So that was the original thing I found. But then he's like, you know what? Just take the whole box. I was like, what? He's like, yeah, just take it. I was like, okay. So there were some other cool things in there that I thought I would show you. Some of this will go to the Pink Elephant, but not this. My egg slicer has gone missing of late, and I do like these for making like a chef salad. So you could slice your egg up nice and have it in your salad. So I will be keeping that. And then this I thought was really cool because I'm pretty sure we had this exact one when I was growing up. It's a cheese grater. Looks like it needs to be washed. But I thought that was neat to see because I definitely had this as a kid, which clearly my mom must have gotten, maybe when she got married. She got married in 1968. So she had some vintage things when I was growing up. And then also in the box was this whisk. And this was cool. Poppin' Fresh Pies pie server. So I thought that was kind of neat. So popular brand. And then an old, oh, what is, I thought it was a garlic press. It is not. I don't know what this is. Okay. All of you out there with your collective wisdom, please tell me, what is this? What's it for? Some kind of press. Yeah, let me know, because I don't know. So anyway, there's that. And this, he explained, was a potato ricer. So it's pretty neat. And then this is also, I think, an old whisk. Is that right? I think that's what that is. I have one of these, which I use as a whisk. I don't know if that's what it's for, but that's how I use it. Maybe it's for like catching, frying things in a bin of oil. I don't really know what it's for, but thought it was cool. So, oh, and then this was a cool old spreader. So I'll wash some of these up, bring them to the Pink Elephant, and then some will just join my kitchenware collection. I have a little collection of vintage kitchen tools, which a lot of them I actually use. Okay, so moving on, I also have a whole box of goodies. That was all that I got from that sale. But then I will show you everything else I got. So this is fabulous. I got this super cool Afghan that someone made. Oh my gosh, it's so vintage looking. So I got this for $3. Couldn't believe it. $3. It's in great shape. I'm not going to unfold it completely right now, but I thought that was terrific. I'm just going to throw it on the bed so the dog doesn't get it. Whoa, I have to wash it. Okay, there's such goodies in here. Then one of the sales that we went to, their prices on like regular stuff, as a younger person, their prices on regular stuff were kind of high, but their prices on their vintage were fantastic. I guess they don't see the value in it. It's probably their grandma's stuff and they just want to get rid of it. So this, oh, the prices are gone. This was 50 cents. What? It is, the brand is Napco Ware, import Japan. So there's the sticker. And it's a turkey planter. And oh my gosh, I love this so much for my Thanksgiving display. You know, I put out pheasants. He has an itch. Okay, Finners. It's actually not our dog. It's my daughter's dog. We're watching him this week because she's traveling for work. The shake. Okay. Anyway, I put out a bunch of pheasant figurines and planters in the fall, which I adore. I think I might even have one turkey planter. But there was no way I was leaving him for 50 cents. It will definitely go into my collection. I have turkey salt and pepper shakers that I also put on the table. So this is just going to be so cute. Yeah, I am super excited about that. So that was like 50 cents. Is that what I said? I think it was 50 cents. It was under $1 for sure. Okay. And then I also got at that same sale, a mug. This will go to the shoppy. The shop's in Hopkins. Chaska is a town out west. But I thought, well, people from the out west, they're not, I guess they're suburbs, but they're far out suburbs. They come into Hopkins to shop. So someone might like that. It's definitely vintage, made in England. So I just thought it was cool. And then at that same sale, I also got, oh my goodness gracious. Oh, these are so cool. Okay, that was a different place, but this, oh my gosh, I love this so much. So this was at the same sale. It was $1. So if you know me, I always pick up the Better Homes and Gardens cookbook when I find it. And I've given it to my daughters. I have one for Molly for when she moves to her own apartment. I've given one to Maddie, and I have one that was my mom's. But I've never seen this book before. Look at this fantastic cover. Oh my gosh. How cute is that? So this is the Handyman's book. I'm totally keeping this. Not that I'll use it, but I just love it. I love the cover. I love having it. It's just cool. It's just cool. And it was $1. And so inside, look at that colorful workshop. No one's workshop looks like that, but it's so cute. Yeah, and so it's kind of the same setup as the cookbook, but it's how to set a screw. You know, all these little power tools. Do you need power tools? You know, so it's a whole little guide to being a handyman. So I thought that was really cute. Okay, and then, oh yeah, these were from the same sale. These are so cool. These say set of 4 coasters produced in Nottingham lace by Francia Lacecraft. So I thought those were adorable. They're just lace coasters. I like those. And yeah, that was it from that sale. And then someone at one of the sales had traveled to Asia. I don't know which country these are from, but she had done like a tour of multiple countries. And she brought back these little dolls, which I thought were cute. And people at the Pink Elephant look for things like this. I mean, there's vintage ones that they really look for, but I thought, oh, these are cute. So I'm going to put these at the Pink Elephant. But they're adorable. Okay, and then one other thing I got was this Return of the Jedi book. And this was at a different sale. At this sale, I also picked up a spider plant. They were selling, they were having a sale to raise money for an organization, which now I'm forgetting. Oh, is it one that I might have gone to one last year? I don't think I have the thing anymore. But anyway, they were raising money for a women's organization in Minneapolis. And so I bought a spider plant for $2, and then I bought this book, and I think it was $1. I just thought it was cool. It's by Scholastic. So I'm going to put this at the Pink Elephant just because it's cool. Yeah. So, okay, so that's all that I have for you for this week's yard sale Sunday video. I will have a thrift with me video coming up, I think on Wednesday. I'm going to switch back to Wednesdays and see. Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out the cadence of my videos. It's a little different in the summer because I have yard sale hauls. I have decided not to film at yard sales because I just want to go and enjoy myself, and filming makes it less enjoyable, to be honest with you. So anyway, so the thrift with me will be coming on Wednesday, and then followed by another yard sale haul, and that's kind of where I'm going for the next few weeks, and we'll see how that goes. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope that you're having a great week, and I hope you had a good weekend, because by the time you see this, it will be Sunday. And I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.